Welcome back to Speed Car Mania. The 2025 Volvo S90 embodies sophistication, innovation, and environmental consciousness, beyond the notion of a mere luxury sedan. Are you prepared for a vehicle that embodies sophisticated design, state-of-the-art technology, and exceptional efficiency? Join us as we unveil the key features of this exceptional premium automobile. The Volvo S90 offers two exceptional powertrains for varied driving preferences. The B6 is powered by a turbocharged four-cylinder engine and a 48-volt hybrid powertrain. This architecture provides an optimal power-to-fuel efficiency ratio, ideal for adaptable drivers. The T8 plug-in hybrid vehicle provides exceptional performance and environmental sustainability. The T8 all-wheel drive offers more horsepower and improved fuel efficiency. The fully equipped S90 Ultra is priced at $72,395. The T8 plug-in hybrid operates silently and effortlessly on electricity for short distances, rendering it optimal for city commuters. The B6 exhibits robust performance, yet it generates greater engine noise, which some drivers may perceive as less smooth compared to other luxury sedans. The two categories exhibit significant differences in acceleration. The B6 accelerates to 60 miles per hour in 6 seconds, but the T8 achieves this in 4.5 seconds, indicating superior performance. The 2025 Volvo S90 demonstrates superior fuel efficiency. T8 hybrids achieve a maximum of 66 miles per gallon under mixed driving conditions. The B6 achieves 22 miles per gallon in urban conditions and 31 miles per gallon on highways. In practical evaluations, the B6 achieves 29 miles per gallon on highways at a speed of 75 miles per hour. These figures render the S90 appropriate for urban commuters and long-distance travelers. Experience the Volvo S90 and immerse yourself in a realm of opulence and artistry. Opulent materials such as authentic leather, brushed metal, and open-pore wood establish a refined ambience. The 14-way power-adjustable front seats offer exceptional comfort for drivers and passengers of varying sizes. Premium features, such as a power-adjustable steering column, are exclusive to higher vehicle tiers. The dashboard includes a 9-inch infotainment touchscreen equipped with Apple CarPlay for smartphone connectivity. The system is intuitive and user-friendly. Nevertheless, new users may require time to acclimate. Over-the-air upgrades ensure the infotainment system remains current with new features and enhancements for sustained convenience and enjoyment. The 2025 Volvo S90 reinterprets premium automobiles. The spacious and elegantly crafted cabin, cutting-edge hybrid powertrains, and exceptional efficiency establish a new benchmark for luxury automobiles. This vehicle represents a lifestyle selection for discerning drivers who prioritize quality in every aspect of their experience. It amalgamates sophistication, ingenuity, and functionality.